Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Dharshini. Today I'm going to share a very delicious street style Badam Milkshake, also known as Almond Milkshake recipe with you all. This India's famous Badam shake is a delicious and refreshing drink for summer. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make delicious street style Badam milkshake at home. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of the ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. First, soak almonds in hot water for 30 minutes. Then peel the skin. To the blender jar, add the peeled almonds and add half a cup to 3/4 cup of milk. Blend it into smooth paste. Keep it aside. Soak few saffron strands in 3 tablespoons of hot water. In a separate bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of custard powder and 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix it well without any lumps. It's done. Keep it aside. Now, let's boil the remaining milk using an instant pot or any cooking pot. In an instant pot, select the yogurt function and adjust it until it is in the boil mode. Instant pot will beep when the milk is boiled. Switch over to the saute mode in low and add grounded almond paste. Give it a mix and let it cook for 5 minutes to eliminate the raw smell. Then add sugar, saffron water and the custard mixture. Mix it well. If you want, you can add few drops of yellow food color instead of saffron water. Once the mixture starts to thicken, cancel the saute mode and let it cool down a bit. Then cover the pot or a bowl and place it in the freezer for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, blend it well in the blender. It stays good in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. Serve it chilled with some more chopped almonds. Our super delicious street style Badam milkshake is ready. This almond milkshake is easy to make and the combination of milk and almonds provides the necessary energy and nutrients in summer. It can quickly be served to kids and adults as a dessert. Do try this delicious Badam milkshake at home and enjoy it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.